Today, I'm gonna show you how to make onigiri, rice balls. Onigiri is a popular lunch food in Japan. Not only it's easy to make at home, Japanese convenience stores sell nearly 30 varieties of different onigiri. Today, I'd like to make 4 types of the most popular onigiri.
First, let's prepare for the ingredients. Take the bit out of umeboshi or pickled plum. Break the grilled salmon into small pieces. Add 1 packet of dried Bonito flakes or Katsuobushi. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add tuna in oil. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Add a little bit of salt. Now, let's cut nori. Fold the nori and cut into 1/8 pieces. If you have food scissors, you may use them. Now, let's make a rice bowl. Wet your hands with water and put some salt on them. Put rice on one hand and press down the center to make a dent. Add ingredients. Cover it with rice. Shape the rice into a triangle. Turn the rice bowl around many times as you shape it. If you don't want your hands to get messy, you can use plastic wrap when shaping onigiri. Put nori on the rice bowl. Some Japanese moms put faces on onigiri for kids to have fun eating. I got this nori cutting tool at the Japanese store in the US. Some onigiri stores in Japan put a little bit of ingredients on top so people can know which one is which. Now, delicious onigiri is ready to eat. Enjoy!